Big Sis.
Hi, I'm Little Sis.
And welcome to the Eyes Have It. Well, this is very, very late, as has been the situation lately. But we are doing a FABFITFUN today. And this would have been the spring box. Yeah, because I haven't gotten the summer yet. I assume so. Anyhow. So we're going to...
Spring 2019.
Okay, spring. Okay. So I did not get to pick my wants. They send you an email every season and they say, this is your time. You have like 5 days to pick the stuff in each category that you want. Well, I didn't see the email and I missed the deadline. So some things that I got, I would, have chosen, and a lot of things I got, I wouldn't have chosen. But anyhow. Okay, so the first category, I could have gotten either a really pretty robe, a demi backpack, which is very dressy looking, or an unplugged meditation aromatherapy diffuser. Well, the funny thing is, I would never choose an aromatherapy diffuser, except that in my last BoxyCharm, I got 2 essential oils. One I think I didn't like, the other one was orange, which I loved. So I will go ahead and use this. I told Jasmine, I actually just ordered an aromatherapy diffuser. Oh, it comes with, open that up and see what that is. Well, I mean, take it off and see what the...
Orange.
Oh, yay. Comes with another orange.
Orange.
Sweet.
Happy. What's that mean?
It's just like the mood that it evokes, I guess.
Oh my God, it smells so good.
I know. So I'm not I'm severely fragrance sensitive, as many of you know. So I would normally not use essential oils, and the ones that my friends have, asked me to smell. But the orange one, awesome. So I definitely will use this. It's just like that. You put your water and your oil in there, and it just shoots out the steam and stuff. So yeah. And there's the little cord. So yes, I will use that. I'm going to do the first page of the box, and Jasmine's going to do the second page. Okay, so then the next category, two of the 4 items were Quay Australia sunglasses, which is all I wear. I was kind of bummed that I didn't get that. The first one was My Girl in Black Smoke, and I already do have My Girl, but in another color. And then the other one was the Aviators in Black Smoke, and I hate aviators, so I don't care that I didn't get that. And then the other thing was the Chorus Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Didn't get that. But what I did get was the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. And I don't know that I've ever used this, but it is so cute. So this is a whole picnic set in one little bag. You unzip it. You've got plates, real silverware. You got, I think, 4 plates. And they're not paper. They're like a light plastic, like a melamine almost. And the silverware isn't like great silverware, but it's metal with like a plastic handle. But I mean, it's super cute. I mean, we'll have to take a picnic sometime and so we can use it. But super cute. I mean, to have all of that instead of taking a big basket, you have the whole thing wrapped up in there. I thought it was pretty darn cute. All right. And by the way, the box value is between $227 and $317. And so our next category, I could get either the Giadzi copper-plated measuring spoons for $15, the Lavito aromatic body lotion in mandarin, orange, and bergamot for $19, or the mystery item for $20. And I ended up getting, oh, there it is. I ended up getting the measuring spoons, so I didn't get the smelly stuff. The mystery item could have been an eyeshadow palette or a body cream or a trigger ball, they said, but I got the spoons. I already do have a set of spoons, but they're plastic and they do roam sometimes, so it never hurts to have another. Oh, there's tape. No wonder I couldn't open it. There we go. like almost a rose gold. I guess they're supposed to be maybe like copper. Yeah. Okay, and that is the first page of the box, and on to Jasmine.
So she could have got the Two Bandits Ethan's necklace, or she could have got the London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, or the Sip by Swell. And she got the Sip by Swell.
Yay!
In black.
Yes, the necklaces. I don't like any of the jewelry from
And it's
FabFitFun.
only, so.
The necklaces from FabFitFun, they're always trash. They're like so thin, you look at them and they break. So I'm glad I didn't get that. Okay.
The next thing she could have got was Purifying Face Cleanser, or she could have got the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush, or the 11 by Venus Jump Rope. And she ended up getting the 11 by Venus Jump Rope.
Which is going home with her.
To me. And so then, at the bottom, in pink,
that category, unlike all the others, is not 1 of 3. It's 3 of 3. So I got all 3.
So she got the Koi Leave-In Conditioner, the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, and the Manna Kadare Champagne Body Spray. So she got the...
And I don't remember how to pronounce this. I think it's Wee or Way or something like that. It's Ouai.
Then she got the Dr. Brandt.
Which is a product I already used. So that was okay.
And she got this.
Body scrub. We've already we've opened it and sniffed it. And it says it's champagne charcoal. But what would you say that... I would say it almost smells citrus, like orangey.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's cool, and it's black. I think we only opened it a little bit.
It's not like charcoal. It's like stuck. Like.
Yeah, it's like almost chocolate brown, maybe in there towards black.
It feels weird.
Is it a sugar scrub or a salt scrub? Exfoliant. Okay. Oh, anyhow, ingredients. Salt. It's a salt scrub. Salt is the first ingredient, anyhow.
I'm gonna get me a swell.
So there's my stuffs, and I have already, thank goodness, seen the video, the email for the summer box. So I got to do my own choosing. Plus, I got to buy a couple of things on massive discount, which is what you get when you are a member. And so yeah, luckily I'll get stuff that I like a little bit better, although this stuff is not bad. You know, like I said, the needles no more. No more baggage. It's the depuffing. It's an odd product. I'm not going to say like wow, stop what you're doing right now, go out and get this. But yeah, it does work. It's just it's not miraculous or anything, and it doesn't come out of the package real good. That's the only thing that I really don't like about it. It's got a weird nozzle, and so you can't get it out, and then when you finally do get it out, it's like squirt, and you only need a tiny little bit, and it's an odd texture. It's like a salmon color, but it does the trick. It's just not, like I said, it's no miracle. All right, so, and on the cover, because of the Venus Williams, you probably figured the jump rope, you probably figured that Venus Williams is the...
She is so cute.
She is pretty. And so she's the cover girl this quarter. And yeah, and so I have been avoiding upgrading to Select or whatever they call it, the next level up of FabFitFun from just getting the box. I've been avoiding that because I thought it was like all this much more money. And I didn't want to do that because FabFitFun is expensive enough as it is. But actually, once I read all the stuff, it looks like I'm going to get a lot more perks for not a lot more money. So we'll see how that goes. And if it doesn't go well, I can always go back down to regular level. Okay, that is all. Take care.
Be well.
And always be yourself.